Welcome to the manufacturing process of extra virgin coconut oil. The collection of coconuts is the first step. Next, we have to discard these types of unsuitable coconuts because the entire process runs below 55 degrees Celsius. The harder outer shell is broken apart like this and we obtain the coconut kernel. Then the brown testa around the white kernel is peeled off. It contains non-useful fatty acids. The same process done with the brown testa is called whole kernel virgin coconut oil. White kernels are scraped in order to facilitate easy removal of moisture. Next, the scraped coconuts are dried under 55 degrees Celsius, removing the moisture, and we call it desiccated coconut. The desiccated coconut is pressed gradually in this cold press expeller. As you see, the oil cake coming out is used for biscuit, cake and bakery products. The raw oil, which is obtained initially, is white in color because of undissolved small coconut particles. Finally, we filter out these particles through a filter machine, and the extra virgin coconut oil, which is clear as water and rich in nutrients, is obtained.